He clears the table after dinner. He wipes the table with a cloth. He piles up the dirty dishes in the sink. He scrapes the leftovers off the plate. He puts away the leftovers in a container. He loads the dishwasher. He runs the dishwasher. He scrubs the stuck food off the pan. He soaks the pan in warm water. He squirts dish soap onto a sponge. He does the dishes after dinner. He dries the plates with a clean cloth. He rinses the dishes with water. He wipes down the stove after cooking. He sweeps the kitchen floor. He mops the floor. He unloads the dishwasher. He sorts the silverware. He empties the trash. He takes out the trash.